Girl, why you never ready? For as long as you took, you better look like Halle Berry. Or Beyonce! Hey, Miss Mamas, welcome back to my video. It's your girl, Makeup Moo. If you're new here, you're going to hear some sirens. And if not, you already know it's tea-stained. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this very affordable Beyonce inspired wig that I got from the beauty supply store. So I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to install the wig with and without the baby heads, because it was just going to be a Beyonce inspired video with just how Beyonce had it in this picture here. But baby, a girl like me needs baby heads. Okay, so let's just jump right into the video. Y'all, this wig is beautiful. This is how Miss Mama is coming to you guys out the pack. Okay, get it to the lace, and she come with some baby heads. You better know the girl. Okay, now this is a T-part wig. She does have some combs, which I probably would take out. I think combs are uncomfortable, but this is what she is giving the grooves. So this is the Butta Unit 6 in Flamboyage Blonde, and she comes in many different colors. So yeah, y'all go ahead and check this out. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put Miss Mama's on so I can show y'all what she gives straight out the pack. Oh, she is cute. Ooh, wait till we lay her. I just wanted to see how it looks like straight out the pack. And she is cute, y'all. And she's already layered. Like, we don't even have to layer her. Let me stand up so y'all can see. Like, she is giving what needs to be gave. Now all we need to do is lay her down. And I also want y'all to see what the hairline is giving. You don't even have to pre-pluck her at all. Okay, y'all, so I actually took my wig cap off because it's not giving ball cap method for me today. Okay, I was just, you know, trying to show y'all the wig for reference and didn't want y'all to see my dusty like Mike. So now that we tinted the lace, it looks so much better, so much better. And now what I'm gonna do is comb the hair back. Look at that, y'all. Look at this hairline. She is bomb. So I'm just going to kind of just comb the hair back so it can get out of my way. And I'm actually going to use my EBIN Wonder Lace Balm. And the reason why I want to use this is because it's giving daily wear. Like when I get back home, she's coming off. Okay, I like for my head to breathe. So I'm going to use this spray.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. crave when you're away. Nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make. It's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something.
Now I'm just kind of just laying her real flat, like this. So you could keep your wig like Beyonce if you wanted to, but I prefer baby hairs, so watch me work. I'm going to be using the Got To Be gel to lay down my baby hairs. And I'm going to be also using my hot comb. So yeah.
I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you let's face it, baby, you know all the places. Places, my places, your place, my place, your place, my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it fresh and lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal.
love her baby hairs. So let's go ahead and take her off. Yes, this looks so much better. And so this is how she's coming with the baby hairs, and I am in love. Like, I would definitely buy this wig again. She's cute, she's affordable, it ain't taking no time to throw her on. Excuse me, you know how the hair be trying to get all of your lip gloss. Drop down in the comments below, let me know what you think. Did you like it with the baby hairs or without? Because it's very much giving me everything with the baby hairs. Okay. Alright guys, that wraps up our video for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I'm so pressed we finally made it to 19K. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.